respectable in my opinion. Everybody have their own opinion, their own.
Are you listening?
So just tune in and see the journey of our life. Let's see how far she reached and how she go by accomplishments. That's all about living for me and nobody else. Speak my mind. You know, I always speak in my mind because of what people think, and it's gonna be my opinion. People, you have to be respectable in my opinion. Everybody has their opinion. So just tune in and see the journey of our life. Let's see how far she reached and how she go by accomplishments. So it's all about living for me and not for nobody else to go with. So enjoy your day and tune and see you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All and good things there. Just down with the God, the good heart. Thank you and hope stay blessed. Stay blessed.